Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of React Native. So today we are going to try to make a debug build. I'm facing the issue Android app source main assets index Android build not found. So to solve this issue, what we have to do, we have to go with the folder Android app source main. You need to create the folder assets with the name. So here you can see that assets part where it go with assets. This is the assets name. Okay, let's check assets. I think the assets spell is wrong. Let me check, correct it. Assets, is it the same? Let me copy this part, copy, and let me create this folder assets, right? And let's try to run our build part. And you can see that the error resolved and it will work. To solve this issue, you need to create the assets folder and it will resolve the issue correctly. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.